In this video from Device Doctor, I will show you how to fix error code 010044 on the Canon imageRUNNER 2425i, which is related to a paper jam in the feeder.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
At this stage, I will clearly show the problem. You can see error code 010044 displayed on the printer screen. This error is related to a paper jam in the feeder area. Please look carefully at the message on the screen, because it helps us understand where the problem is. Follow the steps in this video carefully. If you have any questions, leave a comment, and we will respond as quickly as possible. Use a hairdryer or an air blower to carefully remove dust from the printer. And now, if you have a power duster, use it as well on certain parts of the printer. Carefully check the feeder paper path to make sure nothing is stuck. Now, clean the rollers and the pickup roller using a soft cloth slightly dampened with petrol. Now that we have completed all the steps, it is time to run another test to see if the printer is working properly. In this video from Device Doctor, we successfully resolved the printer issue and cleared the error. As you saw, the test print worked perfectly. Thank you for watching. Follow the steps carefully, and your printer should work smoothly too. If you have any questions or need further help, leave a comment below, and we will respond as quickly as possible. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful printer tutorials.